The Azaria Chamberlain Case, A Nation Divided. Imagine losing your child, only to be accused of their murder. This is the nightmare that Lindy Chamberlain faced, a case that gripped Australia and sparked decades of debate. On August 17, 1980, the Chamberlain family was camping near Uluru, Ayers Rock. 9-week-old Azaria disappeared from their tent. Lindy claimed a dingo took her baby. Initial searches found no trace of Azaria, fueling speculation and suspicion. The vast, unforgiving landscape of the Australian outback became the backdrop for a national tragedy. Police investigations focused on the Chamberlains. Doubts arose about Lindy's account of the dingo attack. The media frenzy intensified, fueled by public opinion. Lindy was eventually charged with murder. The trial became a media circus, with every detail scrutinized and debated. The prosecution painted a picture of a calculated crime. In 1982, Lindy Chamberlain was convicted of murder and sentenced to life imprisonment. Michael Chamberlain was convicted as an accessory after the fact. The nation was divided. Many believed in Lindy's innocence, citing the lack of concrete evidence. Others were convinced of her guilt, swayed by circumstantial evidence and perceived inconsistencies. Years later, a chance discovery near Uluru changed everything. The partial remains of Azaria's jacket were found in an area frequented by dingoes. This discovery cast serious doubt on the original verdict. Further investigations revealed more evidence supporting the dingo attack theory. In 1988, Lindy was released from prison, and her convictions were eventually overturned. It wasn't until 2012 that a coroner officially ruled that Azaria Chamberlain was killed by a dingo. This finally brought closure to a case that had haunted Australia for over 3 decades. The Azaria Chamberlain case serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of media sensationalism and the importance of relying on solid evidence. It also highlights the fallibility of the justice system. The Chamberlain case led to significant changes in forensic science and legal procedures in Australia. It also raised awareness about the behavior of dingoes and the risks they pose in certain areas. The case continues to be studied in law schools and journalism programs, serving as a cautionary tale about the power of public opinion and the need for a fair and impartial justice system. The Azaria Chamberlain case remains a complex and controversial chapter in Australian history. It is a story of loss, injustice, and the long struggle for truth.